Closing the window so nobody can hear us. So we got Sonny Angels for the first time ever. Open them. Yeah, one. So we got the dreaming ones, and then the cherry series. Yeah. They're hippers. I don't know what that means. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I've been thinking of getting a new phone case recently. Anyways, this has nothing to do with what we're talking about. Or we can. I know. I was looking for him. The cat. Oh, I like the cat too, but I also really like the fawn, the peacock, or the Shiba, you know what? Okay. I like the one. We should say what we don't want. We probably will go what we don't want. I don't want the mouse or the duck.
I don't want the duck or the lion.
Okay.
Everything else I'm okay with.
Okay.
Maybe not the truth. Elvis. Let's open them.
What the hell?
Come on.
I'm squishing mine. Okay, look at it. Okay. Fuck. I think I got the fucking dog. Babe, I'm having a hard time ripping it as well. Okay. Oh no, you got the fawn. I wanted the fawn. Hold on. I can't open this. Fuck my life. Bitch, I can't open it. Oh, my dumbass is opening it wrong. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got the duck. I'm killing myself. Wait, I don't remember.
Wait, that's the rabbit.
Oh, did you want the rabbit more?
I will.
Okay.
We can talk about it.
Okay. Little rabbit, thank God. I was about to kill myself if I got the duck. Because I'm a very calm person.
It's up.
He may bring you happiness?
That's the first one.
That's the first one. I'm actually quite happy with, yeah, good. I'm happy with what I got. Okay, what I don't want to get is the dog. I don't want to get the dog and I don't want to get the monkey. There's a fucking monkey. Fuck the damn duck! I think I got the dog. I'm so serious. It's so over for me. Ready? No. I got the dog! No, we got the ugliest one. Do we need to go back there? We need to try again. I'm so serious. Yes. Okay. I'm not joking. We're leaving. We're getting different ones because what is this bullshit? The fucking duck and monkey. We're going back to the store. A different one this time actually because we got the fuck ass ugly ones we didn't want. So we're gonna try again. Next time you pick them. It's like the walk of shame. We have to go back there. Okay, we're back. Thankfully it was a different person on the shift so we didn't have to come back. New person, awesome. So, last time we got the monkey and the duck. We get the fucking ugly ones, respectfully. I think this time. And we can't go back there. If it doesn't work out, we can't go back. So. Mine actually did it this time! I swear to God, it's the dog. I'm not joking. It's the fucking dog. Oh my God, I got the duck again, didn't I? Oh, it's over for me. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I got the cat! I think that's a giraffe? Or that's a goat. No, here's the thing, I would trade with you, but I'm not going to because that's adorable. It's cute. Is the go. What one's your favorite? One's very cute. I wish it was red because then it looked like strawberries. They would fit your thing. We can come back and get a try again for this trip. This was very fun. I understand the hype now. I didn't get it before, but now I do. Okay, bye.